play Fun Monkey Horror 2. Let's go!
I need to play. I just started. No.
Ready. Yo, I was thousand crystals.
Colors. I want to go order. Where's
Yo, Red Watch.
This is my first time.
Bread.
I should get this in my head, but it's shut.
Nah, it's fine.
Oh, hell no, I ain't doing that. I just started, man. I think I'm gonna try. Anyway, California, let's go to bed.
I'm gonna try Ben.
Go Vent, let's try Vent. Man. That's so bad.
Black one's over there. That's how he keeps getting us. Yo, someone watch over here.
This.
Don't say the one with the right
Freaking
I'm gonna be
Yeah. What? It just logged. What? I'm probably gonna do this first time again. What else is in the events? Oh, me too.
Okay, I'm dizzy. I'm way too dizzy.
We're in the Fun Monkey Horror 2.
Who has long guns in here? Who has long guns in here? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Guys, raise your hands if you have long guns.
I think I'm in Fun Monkey Horror 2. They're doing it in public. And it's a modern.
Guys, who wants me to play soundboard?
Hey, come on. Let's go. Before my beer can play. Oh, look at the vent. Look at the vent.
Come on.
No, Ben. Okay, bro, I think it's time to silence yourself.
Fun Monkey the game. I am in the game, but like I'm not in the scary part.
Why? Oh, hey. What?
Hey guys, has anybody here?
Yo, what? Yo, guys, what map should I go into?
Nobody can do this.
Oh, yeah, they got marble slab fans. Finally.
No?
You tend to run around.
Oh my god! Dude, I don't like it.
Alright,
Oh
guys.
my god! I don't
I did the vent, so
And-
now I'm doing
Guys, does anybody want to see a magic?
I'm level 2.
Nah. How do you get more levels? Yo, you want to see a magic?
Me too.
Yo, guys, what is that song that goes like that?
Facility bear? What?
Guys, what is that song
Is it
that
ready?
goes like that?
Wait. Time to goon on top of the.
I don't even know what it was the first one. Okay, they just didn't
Dude. This is way easier now. my freaking mud man.
That's so weird. How about we go find another monster?
Whoa, what was that?
Hell no.
I know where to go. Punch him right.
I know where anybody
What if we go find another? Go find another monster.
There's a bunch of levels though.
And
And it actually said, what?
where's the screen?
Did I just change directions? Why are the rooms not the same anymore? I'm back.
Everybody's
Linda,
What's this?
where's my mod menu? Someone tried tracking attention. Where's my mod menu for that? So stupid. Why did your mod menu forgot to pay?
Oh, come on. I'm back here. You're joking. Wait, guys, come over here. I found something. I found
Why is
something
my
interesting.
mod menu not
I
working?
found a hole, guys. You guys want to go in the hole?
There's mod menus.
You guys want to go into a hole with me? Come on, guys. Let's go. It was around here somewhere.
Yo,
the
monster's following you now. You know
that.
that. I'm coming, Fresh.
Down here. Let's go down.
He's right there. This does not lead anywhere, you oversized Big Mac Whopper.
Hey, we go
Shut
back.
up, bro.
What the Whopper?
I'm underneath you.
Chunky dick.
Chunky.
I'm
underneath you.
What are these
Guys,
guys?
wake
Oh no,
up.
I just want to look in the hole. Oh, that room looks slanted.
Nah, everybody follow me. You get free admin handle. You get free
Go
admin.
back. You're joking.
Free moderator. Free
Come on,
moderator.
guys. Find something.
Free owner.
This
Free
way.
owner. Free owner.
Ah, the floor's different here.
Start
Floor's different here.
butt.
Maybe this means something. What the hell?
No, little fat boy.
Yo, this is a mirror.
I can't get up there, man. I can't get up there.
pressing underneath you.
Too bad.
Hey, now everybody's.
Let me. Tunnel. I can get up there.
Secret tunnel. Come over here.
I can get up there.
Gotta get up here.
Yes, I get through. Just because I'm not broke. That's
What
a dead
tunnel are
end.
you going? This one?
That's
We're
a
going
dead
this
end.
way, guys.
And I just.
We're going up.
This is not scary at all.
No one can ever find me.
What's my totally not
Yo.
What the hell is this?
No cussing.
Yo, dude.
And I'm running.
It's all a dead
About to
end.
run. As far as both run.
I want to find Bobby.
You're ugly.
It's all a dead end.
What are you doing? Trying to do this?